Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. What's up, everybody? This is Chuck, and today we're making one of my favorite snacks, my fat-free potato chips. Now, these are perfect if you're doing something called a Mary's Mini. If you have no idea what that is, what I'm talking about, I'll put a link down below in the description box. It's a diet I did last week. I lost 8 pounds and dropped my blood pressure like you would not believe. Anyway, these are perfect for that. So, we're going to make potato chips, and this is a mandolin slicer. I want you to be really careful. That blade there is very, very sharp. And this is what it looks like. This is the box. And I'll put if I have one of these in my Amazon store, I'll put a link out there for it too. But any mandolin slicer will work. Now that's the food guard. Always use it. Always, always, always. If you get nothing else out of this video, which is why I'm making it, use that food guard. I want you to stay safe. Now this thing's got rubber feet, so it's nice and secure. It's not going to slide around on you. That's very important too. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a potato and cut it in half because I want a nice flat surface to start with. Like that. Now don't be tempted to use your hands and slide that thing down the blade. I did, and I ended up slicing off the end of my thumb. It doesn't take much. And yeah. Use the food guard. Here, let me flip it around so you can see. Mine has those little pegs on it, and the potato just sticks right into those pegs, so it's not going to come off. Just like that. That way your hand's nowhere near that blade. Nice smooth motion. Boom. You got a chip. Look how thin that is. It's perfect. And we're going to put that on a plate. Use parchment paper, please. If you don't, I had to use a chisel to get mine off the plate last time I did it without the parchment paper. Use parchment paper. It's so much easier. So nice and steady, 1 or 2 slices at a time. We're going to make our chips, put them on our plate. And I'll fast forward a little bit here. And when you get to the end of the potato and it falls off, like right here, yeah, just toss it. Don't even try it. Ain't worth trying. It ain't worth getting hurt over. Get your other half, stick it on there like that, and fill up your plate. The sad thing about these potato chips, you can only do 1 plate at a time. But they don't take that long. Alright, we got our plate of chips. Slide that over. You can season these however you want. That's the beauty of this. I think it's onion powder. And I think I forgot to show you. There we go. That's onion powder. Again, you can use whatever seasoning you like. I like the onion powder and the garlic powder. You could use cayenne pepper, you could use cumin, chili powder, whatever you like. I like those two, and a little bit of kosher salt. Just a little bit. And then we microwave. And that's all you gotta do. Microwave these for 5 minutes. Of course, it depends. And how crisp are they? I left the sound on for you, so you can hopefully hear this. There you go. It's pretty crunchy, huh? And that's in the microwave. Your microwave power may vary, so it may take, a little more or a little less than 5 minutes, but that's all I did. Sliced potatoes, microwave them, season them. Potato chips. No fat, no preservatives, none of that ugly stuff you see in the store-bought bag. So perfect if you're doing a Mary's Mini. I will put a full recipe for these chips down in the link below. If you liked the video, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. And come back next week, we'll do another video. Again, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.